from Hanoma, Timia Muye, Chema Ultimate campaign team communication professionals, and now Yenemo Eshiha, the same area Yenemo Edin Kumu. From one, and Simbi na air person, ye pese, ye mark clarification. Na misconception and Nipani Bianya, any I don't know. You're boning out of an Biajum and fine. Because a basana, it leads to speculations, rumors, and a lot of untruth stories. Now, I can't boom. It might be very clear. In some of me and Sunny United, I said, they didn't kind. Some when you Mati, if a party officer, just no more year, press conference, it's a Simbia, a PP more now. Echemunumu ebeka asanka krafa ho etosumi no so eye party officer chema wuntumi na nkasa ifiro no na bosium as sole person e sidiama region no eno so sensem bi enipa bi keka nso ebe ma nchirimu kakra na final so no pese MPP prepare akoye ye internal elections no ase niema bi ahase e kone adintie pese no so ye dey make a call to the party faithfuls and say Bushia Bako. Inti say ye na ye politics a ebehye party no animunya. Inti nipa miensa ana ebema this particular address. Myself, Danko Poku Boating, meaning the chairman of the team. Then I have my immediate right, the left, Archibald. And also bema explanation. And he wants to say him say Chema went to me ever far party ebedi animu ampanifo bi hu dwuma pa odie wo sabre no chairman ewo bosomtwe na wo sisi party ma wo mo ye nwuma pa na party ampanifo bi hu se ya ne NDC fo ndisi ani a na awai editaria na awai ye se ye hwe obi obitima bedi party nti se party adwuma mo nkwa ha we me chairman me we nyina twako wie se in the end we benya aban tumi nsi ye the chairman tumi hye wonsa to adwuma ye de hye wonsa nkasan se mayen aban to me nti nanado chairman de ne koy chairman bi wa de ne koy first time anyeduma second time anyeduma ne ko fa yura chairman untum bae ti hona no bae no na ohu se region nyina ni party office because I should employ professionals be like yourself am I we a research man nti report on the ba mu ba ko no say region ni party office and I'm saying na ma akuku damo a omo department ni mo santimem ha no omo ntimi enya peaceful mind emfa nkeka ne mambo nti yeso nya party of no sesa na ne akora na nkasa eyi sika edi han ifie ya yetimu mu o han 10 good years 10 years no so no se me no mo kasa yi otua ka ni nyina ya onni busuani bi aka bia na ne ka ono so ni obi aka 10 years contractual agreement payment terms na wa fulfill ya enrada tie no mo kasa na ye edwada no mo kase enrada ye kwasiada abusuan panimfo na omudi animu ade dan no e ma chema wuntumi hanye broker no wo mfinfini onso no ye sata no ye MPP Ashanti Regional First Vice Chairman ono na edi animu behum panimfo yi ana oje dan ne wuntumi beka ho asem ekohia ne fie ni panimfo nyina ma ko wie se de course so se nipa binom adinam na report bi ba ha be report ye say busuafo atutu office yemu say party no e de wo ka wutumi e de ka nti no so ametuade a omoje wo dan ni sa na mani nyina no propaganda machinations bi a ebinom pese wo geni political capitalization on it no mo de friends say omodi kutia chema wutumi fi say binom abomutim pose omni chema won't be pre akonyan ye ni as I'm speaking to you now no we don't hold any fact say be a nipa asumesi na say nipa asumesi na etu sa na mo na information ya pekin de sa na e kwa igusu eye mu hwehwu enti ye frame na asema ye kan fa party office ho ni say one chema wontumi na nkasa ene yi ni sika e di tuaye obi biara nim ho bi ono ani tua na de receipt nyina wo ho ya enekra lawyer Adomapia I show receipt a chese chema wuntumi ankasa na han office yi nsika adi tua ho ka nyina bibie ni nti se moti nsem bi se die mi nina mfra mem say yem boss kasi yem boss ene etie chama wontumi ti ne etie na dwuma na yeye yem boss what the car na onti aka no nti fie wura bi aba so obagya enya ne kore eno ekopia die pe mi nyina ne say omumpa omutu sa na mo no omwe ofasefo yeah fie we omuni authority bia wo so contractual agreement ya chama wontumi ne abusua no mpanifo omu gina ne mu ye nyina no sa omom ye sa de no ano omunim ho hwe nti ba ne sen eno mba be ye mompo no eno a omoka nchon pasem de kire say dia si bia no chama wontumi ne party no enyai emanonka nti on that score no de pese ka kire mo say de motiye say chama wontumi han dan say ne kure say dan ya tutumu a eni tira press conference ye be na hadum no ye pese ye na di adase mo obi ahun say ye ba ha no santua for so na mo na mo de ko obi ayi mo hai obi apamomo obi agase mamo nya bibia wa ha na enti saa de a ene na mo amonkoka e ma nipa nyina hu say saa de ma bi e course no eye agenda bi nipa bi no ehye na ye pese be contribute because party mpanimfo so asomu a omo ankasa so etu ho na mo nti omo no adwuma de yanyi from ye de ye wura chama wontumi na no disem e na ye ken we are not speaking for the party generally but we are speaking for chama wontumi a ono ne yi sika at the high party office nti no moti ya e moguo bibia nim na egusu ya hwemu no so no de be firi mu aba bia so no de be sa afre mu na de atomanim mama hu de nipa dasani etumi eye ewo ewiase nti mawie we no now we are moving to no ankasa akoto na saase na OC party office ebinum say party no okasa osi no gra wontimi ansi asase no na toye ni hunsem bebre eno no yenua kuskus ena obema ye briefing hampo chama wontimi ontua labe ontua water be ena dan so kura no ebubuani dan no hall ba kum na muginan bura mo hwe inside punishment wo hwe painting no kura mo mtimi say ya de ye painting ye a check akran so won say de ne fe esitie fine ena sisu aye bo pa wi da de che say e kankane mu ha nsuo no so ye wia e be kwa bie tap no no won say bibie ye adwuma kama enti no nsem bi sa no ba the said yes and say mo so no we professional you say we professionals enti training dey ngoma nim dey mo dia mo nuanom binumu a say bi otafra ye mo ye adwuma no achia no ya mo no mo nkasa if say ba yes senkrefo ga wo ba ye kwa wo na wo se wa ba betie efie wura bi anum asem no ko kan ne dey akire wo no na ko balance story no na dey ono so han dan no wakotie ono so no dey na asan wonya the facts of the whole issue no now be air now the otie one side we ya now the from mama no hye da say wo koso damage ntia mo ho so no mo ne munuanom no bi no ya mo say adwuma no enkasa yi emaye to your message and disseminate it across the group. We call you here for three simple issues. One is about the brouhaha surrounding this party office that we are having this press conference. The two is about Chama Wontimi's sole investment by building party office for the region. He is doing it by himself without assistance from anywhere. And then thirdly, current call to all party faithfuls across all the setups. The police station coordinators is looming. You have to do civilized and professional politics without attacking personalities, etc. That one is segmented into three. I will give you briefings about the party issue. My fellow, you heard within the weekend that there was a broadcast that this particular office, which was hired by Chama Wontimi is unable to fulfill the payment terms and has left the whole structure to go dilapidate to destroy. He's not paying water bills, he's not paying light bills, etc. All that you heard is false. The truth behind the whole issue is that Chama Wontimi, upon assumption of office as MPP Ashanti Regional Chairman, we were in opposition. He hired some professional researchers to do research for them to know why MPP is not able to rally power from the NDC. And among one of the reports he gave to him is that the Ashanti region is not having regional party office. And for that matter, the intellectuals who were holding offices for the party couldn't get ample time to sit down and plan. So the first thing Chairman Wontumi to do is to get party office. Chairman Wontumi took that in good faith and then carried money from his own pocket and hired this apartment for 10 years contractual terms. He made full payment as we are speaking to you now. Whatever the payment was done, the conclusion point is that Chairman Wontumi has fulfilled every PESUA payment. So the news that broadcasted by one of your colleagues that the one landlord has spoken to them that Chairman Wontumi is owning them and they are going to lock up the entire party office, etc. It's not true. It is full of propaganda. That statement is empty of meaning, which must be treated with every contempt it deserves. So it has become necessary for us to call you and give you the briefings of it, for you to know that as we are speaking now, we have met with the party leadership, the family leadership, who rented this particular apartment to Chairman Wontumi, and they have confirmed that Chairman Wontumi nor MPP doesn't own them. We have made full payment of everything. So the news that came out was false. It was some of those people who machinated or orchestrated the whole incident besought some of their nieces and nephews who don't have any rights, who don't have any details about how this particular apartment was rented to MPP. Just came out and they liaised with that reporter and gave him false information for him to broadcast. So we are telling you today to go and tell everybody that the news that came out about our boss, we are speaking for Chairman Wontumi, because as we are sitting here, we are the communication professionals for Chairman Wontumi, not for MPP. So we are representing Chairman Wontumi. Whatever we are saying is in the name of Chairman Wontumi, that our boss, Chairman Wontumi, doesn't own the family. He has made full payment of everything. As you are bearing witness to it, if indeed this place has been blocked, that nobody will be allowed to enter here. You came here, did you experience any kind of altercation or attempt of blocking you from not entering? You are the media man, you speak to the public. Whatever you have witnessed here, we are pretty sure you go and tell the people if it is indeed the place is locked, if it is indeed there's no light, if it indeed there's no water. The fan is blowing and you are feeling the breeze. You see it. If there's light off here, you could attest to it. So please, at times too, we are begging, pleading on you that when you meet, some of your colleagues are not trying to make the procedures of this particular business more importantly. So try to advise some of them. Always you have to balance the story. You have listened to one side. You should have gone to the other side too and listened to their side before maybe you publish such information. The damage done is not done to Chairman Wontumi, but it's done to MPP. Because Chairman Wontumi hired this apartment for MPP, not for his personal use. So anything bad against this particular building is against the image of MPP. And you know definitely that 2024 election that we are heading towards, it's not a child's play. NDC is very wild to rally and also to wrestle for power from our hands. We are also trying to break the eight. So is this how we are going to break the eight? So please, friends of the media, this is the fact behind the whole show. If anybody is saying that he knows that Chairman Wontumi is owning this house, or he made payment for this particular apartment, he should come with his evidences, receipt and everything covering his claim for you, the media mind, to know. And upon the ignoble reportage, investigations is ongoing because we have picked signals that some people who want to contest Chairman Wontumi orchestrated that action. They influenced those nieces to take that action against Chairman Wontumi. To them, they were disgracing Chairman Wontumi, but they ended up disgracing the entire party. So the party itself has held this particular case, and they are going to make their own investigations. Chairman Wontumi teams too, we are also making our own investigations. Whatever comes out of it, we will call you again at this same premises, and then brief you for you to go and tell the whole world.
About the renovation.
The renovation, that's what I told you. If you take a look at this inside here, can you even see cobweb? A place that is left to be dilapidated. You see cobwebs. If there's not a cobweb, you saw fine ladies down there who are workers here, who are paid by Chairman Wontumi every month. Chairman Wontumi take every cost. However, this apartment is for the party, so we were expecting the party to even take cost of this. But Chairman Wontumi taking everything upon himself. because he loves the party. He himself has said it. He said he did everything he's doing for the party. It's done out of love. He loved the party. Occupying this particular place. The tenancy agreement was that they should have moved from this place. For 3 months, they begged that Chairman Wontumi should allow them to stay here for 3 months. But the money that had been given to them, they are going to build a boys' quarter for the old lady. But for 8 years now, the old lady, his and her family have been staying here for all these 8 years. Chairman Wontumi has never asked them for a person. They have never paid water bill. They have never paid electricity bill. No utility bill that they have been paying. But Chairman Wontumi is capable himself. He loves the party. And the party officials, the party leadership too, has did good to Chairman Wontumi for allowing him to come and lead the entire Ashanti region, which is the pivot, which is the fulcrum, which is the stronghold of MPP. So Chairman Wontumi is doing this to thank the MPP officials for giving him that opportunity. So why must Chairman Wontumi go to Nana Danko Kufuor or Chairman Freddie Bray give him money to go and pay my rent? No, if he does that, then he has not been grateful to the party. That is why everything that he's doing, that is why he has taken upon himself to build party office from his own pocket for the party. So Chairman Wontumi deserves commendation rather than to chastise him, to molest him, and to do all these things because of power that you want to wrest from him. If you want to wrest power from Chairman Wontumi, do it diligently. Tell why you deserve it. For the kingmakers listening to you, if you deserve it, they'll give it to you. But the point is, based on what that you want to take power from Chairman Wontumi, because the assignment given to me is done. Chairman Wontumi came and took over from the chairman there, because the chairman there had failed the party 2 times. He sent Nanado. First time, he couldn't get power. Second time, you couldn't get power. This means that your mandate, your prime mandate, had been you are not able to fulfill your prime mandate there. Then go. That's why Chairman Wontumi came. Chairman Wontumi came the first term, power. Second term, power. So now we're moving him for you to come and take it to opposition, or you still come and rest for power pass. If that's the case, somebody has done it. He knows the ground. You are now coming to study the terrain. Are you sure you can use just less than 2 years to study the terrain of Ashanti region and wresting power from NDC? Cannot be possible. It's only when MPP want to go to opposition that they will allow that. And I know definitely that the kingmakers will never, excuse my word, make such a mistake.
Thank you. I want to be a regional chairman. You rente, Chairman Wontumi rente, sir, baby, I press conference is a ne free sa breno or drink or kind who say young tongue coso and answer the bian ye becoso a rente friends and sabi baby I'm a party. I was a party and Kazan Sweden it's minya yen so any yendian enti or drink home konya assassin I want that yes swaba na assassin or konya no sabi or no any bottom sika and what the chiaka so call lands says Chairman Wontumi and I register assassin on one day a demo warrior the Abua party. Now on the 19th of April, 2018, second lady Samira Baumia and in Pennyfo baby organ her about that yes about her ebe kate sword. Na yen na course is here sa project ayekan ewo ho. Say contest kakra ebenti nipa ni bi nam famamu say oh party of scratch Chairman Wontumi ka say obesi kra no wantimi anye. In fact o sha ase no o say change plan no. Enti na no o see 24-story building. Na a true lentil level our course is here ya hihye bibia o ho kama. Say COVID time ne banti ni break be am two courses here na we say in fact wa ye bibia was say way now just to create the friends and to set a new straight into yes 24 offices with friends 3 conference rooms plus other amenities abeboa ama party jumedia den akoso wano enti na ye gina ha asan aka kire na mo so mama san nyina ti say enye obi anase bia anyame ameti he ana memedi mesika eba anase nya sika bia free kran ana Chairman Wontumi edi dis adwuma we in fact oso sa dan no kwa bia na time na oye constituency chairman ana obeje bia we ansa na obedi chairman ana obedi chairman no so no oye na adwen se wosan pe bia a be permanent ama MPP in fact chairman bia nye sa de we bi so da enti se service we nya de amfa ma wase a on sign nkɔbɔ no kɔ no nti sɛ bi a apre bi banti na bi a nipa bi pɛ sɛ ɔmo nam kwan bi so ɛde yɛ mfa nsɛ ɛyina no ɛnsɛm esie yi a yɛgyina fidie so ne afa mo fidi kɛse nso aka kyerɛ ewiase man nyinaa sɛ office complex are 24 offices with 3 conference rooms and other amenities. Chairman Wuntumi Ekate Sort on the 19th of April in 2018. I was that there so about honor. In fact, ongoing now on no any bottom sika or $400,000 US. And or the years project. Where we have foundation, the can shall say now and yet 24 offices. Into a sign and was sign a year. I started with the 24 foundation where we are no where do first floor level. And to moko ambos a pillars is your kama foundation also or kama blocks beer go kama omo containers go kama prior to a fence cover time no moko break no and I'm say yentoa hono so be ntu ko ho bibia o kama enkrata sem bibia da na kwa mu a bibia ewo in the name of Chairman Wuntumi 2020. Now was starting in 2018 na say ke 2020. Now development be by was a modify no into modification no and a train your market change anchor friend is a completion date no and no man say sending now so get better drama friends and munya most much me say anche because there are some modifications I bass was site and based on that no put it on hold. Enti at the appropriate time the best frame na yasa akire mo bia brace no ye shas ye na brace no ye wie yasa frame ye decide no man nya asa tomani mu bi Madaroma
Patriotic Party office is concerned, and we must say that we are not happy about what is happening in this party. We believe that some people have orchestrated what is happening, and it is a dent on the party, and such people must be brought to book. We are truly not happy. Chairman Wuntumi, as it were, believe that for a party to win election, every regional executive must get his office. And we know that previously, we were having our office at Bantama, and it was housing only the chairman and the secretary. But Chairman Wuntumi, out of the vision, decided to get a complex like this for the new Patriotic Party. And as you can look around, we have the chairman's office, the secretary's office. All executives at the regional level have their office in which they are operating. And we can confidently say that it is as a result of this that the new Patriotic Party was able to get the result that we needed in 2016. And it has happened in 2020 again. Only for us to know here that some people are claiming that this building, we have not been paying the rent, and the body is in dilapidated condition. Unfortunately, that is not the case. I believe that you'll be moving around to see what is happening here. Everything is intact, and Chairman Wuntumi has been renovating this office as and when it needs to be renovated. Now, upon second thought, Chairman Wuntumi decided to get an office complex that belongs to the party, and he went to the Aba to purchase a land which is worth $400,000. I repeat, $400,000. And if you go there, you realize that everything that needs to be done so far the place is concerned has been done. Unfortunately, that project was supposed to be completed in 2020, but there were some changes to that effect. That is what has delayed the project. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can go to the Aba and see the project for yourself. The project has started. We have 24 offices complex with 3 conference rooms in that area. And if you go there, you realize that the building has started, and now we are at the flowing level. So those rumors that are going around, we are appealing to the leadership of the party to move swiftly and do serious investigation about those people who came here and orchestrated the agenda to bring the image of the party to disrepute, so that such people can be serious action can be taken against such people. Thank you very much.
Our press conference. In fact, you've heard a lot from my colleague speakers, but what we want to put across is that for a party to succeed, we need the cohesion, the accord because that is what is going to create the synergy, and that will descend downstream to our party base for us to win every elections. So it is important for us to stress the fact that in seeking political power, especially within your own party, you ought to do your things right, so that at the end of the day, the party can come out stronger and more united to face our opponent in the 2024 elections. So we are pleading with our colleagues in the other camp. For those of us in Team Wontumi, we pledge our unflinching support in making sure that the campaign that we'll do will be devoid of insults. Because at the end of the day, whoever comes out winner, we must all come and rally behind that person to deliver us victory 2024. So we don't see why we should vilify someone. We don't see why we should run down the party just so somebody becomes a chairman. Because at the end of the day, which party are you going to lead? So we want to send a clarion call to our colleagues in the other camps that it is one big mother, it is one big family, it is one big household. So a lot of the things that we are saying today are going to be used against us by the opposition come 2024. So we ought to do things right, so that at the end of the day, if your candidate wins, you can call on me. If my candidate wins, I can call on you, so that we all can come together and then push the party forward. Having said that, let me also send a big thank you to our party base, from the regional executives, from Chairman Wontumi himself, Honorable Sampan, who is currently the KMA Mayor, Chairman, Lawyer Adoma Pia, Dr. Francois, Dennis Kwakwa, the other executives making up the regional secretariat. I want to say congratulations to you for joining your forces with Chairman Wontumi and delivering us two consecutive victories. You've done your yeoman job, and want to say kudos to you. Again, we also want to thank our constituency executives, from the chairman, the secretaries, the organizers. You're also doing a lot of work for the party. Even while the party is in government, we know what you are doing. So thank you, party chairman, thank you, party secretaries, thank you, constituency executives, for the good work that you are doing. Again, our electoral area executives, electoral area coordinators, the police station executives, our communication team, the other people who come from academia, CSOs, who believe in our ideology. There are a lot of things that you are doing for the party, and want to say thank you for supporting the New Patriotic Party. To end, it is important for us to understand that at the end of the day, it is for us, the onus is on us as party people to project the Elephant Party. So let us do our campaign devoid of insults, devoid of acrimony, devoid of things that can disintegrate us as a party. So that when your candidate wins, you can call on me to support you, and when my candidate also wins, I can call on you to support you. Thank you very much, and God be with you. And the other person I can say, you're the Nipa and your party. Now, Sebi you, and there. O company so person be regional chairman you know o say obi ene ne doma say yen fa ne say o candidate no weni a obetima ba ye ho abeka twe say ye me join one and I say yes why ye want Wontumi a ye boa with the campaign no yes ye koto o candidate ne se ko say no na say yes ye weni a ye betima ba ho abeka twe say bra be join ye na ye ko pia osunko kokwa manyoku no na ye tumi weni election 2024 na yes, yes, you want to say party name. I want to say, Obibia, a bit matoni candidate and redua. But yeah, careful. Say, Yanko say, we can also to my video is with you in Simfa Tabonting. It's your best way in your more what the other company say. Yakasa, Yania, Adibia baby, and Yanji or Suko Kwamanukono. It's on the same Nuna Yen soon. Ebio. And Canadian Shisham and Yashan Human say, and the chairman Wontumi a year from 2016, 2020, I want to deliver two consecutive elections. Who share the dynamics of the 2024 elections? It's answer for the first time, 2024 is going to be a tiebreaker. Yankai who said, Party Nina and your 4 terms. Omotan Omono, Yera Wallace year 2, Yera Mills year back, Yera Mahama year back, yes, we are Yera Kufa year 2, Yera Nanado Su year 2. So the 2024 is a tiebreaker. Again, Yankai who said, say a 2 year ban year for the regional elections no in Mayor. Tell my Beckham, Eka After na chairman fufu aba ebesha se so be building the base in the structure and sana na liberty no who said elections number. But you believe say we already have a winning team, we already have a winning chairman who can, as it were, continue the good works are all year to deliver us the election 2024 year. But yet the any from Sobia party no essay and redua ubia to me beton the candidate. It is obiso beba. Ye den susu ye mu se ke party nka omodintum no ko mama Wontumi nto ane dwuma so. Esa ne se me na ka wo ye ni mu ni so. But obiso beba emra wo ho party ni ma ho kwan but yen ka hu say at the end of the day no eye oso amanyoko no ana ye project yen in the team want to me ye call radio so na ye kasa ye can want to me once 10 minutes ye can party once 15 minutes but I say omo the other camp there omo susu ye omo ne ye eno bibia ye want to me on person running it down but want to be the only problem so person be running it down but the party dey no fan sanka eti nyema e ko switch say afa de omo de to kwana to want to me omo 20 minutes omo de be to party no igidie ni say emwa Boniface said there's some will not help and foster unity amongst us. Eti ebesre. Omokasa omoneye omusia de ye from team to me. Say you can want to me once a month. Nia be simabe edua. Nia kana nado ne MPP hu be simabe eduonu. That is how we do politics. Na femi wie no na me da aseda kese aseda any kabia emma the regional executives omaboa chairman want to me. Na ni dwumadie mu na watimadi ne kama. Afa ye ba constituency executive. Your chairman